Hi, my name is James Newman. Today I'm going to talk to you about a really fun tool inside of the Celonis EMS, the Gauge single KPI component. This lets you do a kind of like a thermometer on a single KPI, whether or not it's meeting expectations. So this can be really useful for just a quick kind of pop-up number, catch the eye, visually show where you're at, show the scale of it, and not just show a number. So I'm here in our claims data set. I'm going to pull up a new key component. So click component there. And we're down here in the single KPI components. We've got gauge, fill, number, radial. They all kind of work the same, so I'm probably going to cover more than just one of them here. So obviously we'll start kind of just with the first one and show number. And let's say maybe we're going to just count up activities per case. Well, I like that one. So average events per case. Refresh that. So we've got 4.21 activities per case. And maybe let's say we want to get that down to just 4. Okay, so we want to set a goal and be able to show that visually. So we want then to use one of these other single KPI components. So I'm going to pick gauge first off. So now, like right away, you kind of see how it's different. It shows this kind of like a speed dial, speedometer type idea, and you get to set the bottom thresholds, and then any coloring, things like that. So I'm going to click in and add average events per case again. 4.21. You know that it's still kind of tied to the left-hand side there because of these thresholds. So I'm going to change this. Maybe we go 0 and 5. So now we're right there. Maybe we could add another threshold, right? And so now we're going to do 5 and 10. Okay, so now it's going to show, and we're in there. Green is 10, but I don't really want that way, so I'm going to change the colors around and have green be this one down there, orange still there, and then this one's red. Okay, so we don't want any in that situation. And change that to be maybe 3, this to be 5, and then 10. Okay, so we're still in the kind of the orange yellowish color, not into red yet. And then, so we can look at over at 5 activities per case. I'll click on Adam Duritz, and we can see now what his score is, 4.87. Did not update there. Don't know why that is. Component is not filtered with selections. That's why. Go back over there. Duritz. So now he's 4.87, so he's almost into the red threshold. So that's a nice visual way of representing where you want to be, where you don't want to be, things like that. Yeah, so there he's at 0.3. Here's, he's good. So all kinds of things like that. Really nice to play around with. Also, you could use the fill, which is similar. This is more of the thermometer that I was mentioning at the beginning. Excuse me. So we can do average events per case, and then 0. So it fills it up part way there. You can track the progress. You can add multiple thresholds. So like this, I could do again. Mix it up here. So U is 3, U is 5, and U is 10. So now it's going to reset there. And we're under 5, so it's going to be green. Excuse me, it's going to be orange, and if I filter on API, it should move down to green. So it's going to be pretty handy to visualize where KPI is at in comparison to others. Hope this video was useful. Keep using those good KPIs tools out there that you have, and have a great day.